Okay, so here is our 2-axis robotic arm system. So it moves in 2 axes, flex like this, then you can bring it back, then you can move it a arm exactly like this. So this is a very simple project that can help you to understand how to build more complex robotic arm systems. Hey everyone, welcome back to Romai, where we bring AI and robotics to life. Today we are building a 2-axis robotic arm using servo motors and potentiometers. And like I said earlier, this is a great beginner-friendly project to understand servo control and robot arm movement. For this project, you will need 2 MG966R servo motors, 2 potentiometers to control the servos, which are going to be used for movement, 1 Arduino board, jumper wires, a breadboard, our DC power source, and I made use of cartons for our basement, our stand, and the robotic hub. So that's all we are going to use to connect this, to build this project. So let's connect it and build our robotic arm quickly. Let's go. Okay, the first thing we'll be doing now is making our basement. We're going to use this as the basement. So you can cut a carton, very small carton, make this as a basement, and we're going to use this as our stands for the servo motor. So let's put this here. I'm going to put this one here. I'll glue it with my wire hot glue gun, so something like this. This. Once that is done, we connect it to the stand. Okay, so once we are done with building our stand, the next thing we do is our connections, the wiring connections. So our Arduino. So let's start. If you look carefully at the Arduino, at the servo motors, you notice it has 3 wires: the brown, the red, and the orange wire. If you look carefully at it, the brown, the red, and the orange wire. So we're going to make our connections now. So the first thing we do, connect our sources, that's the ground and the 5 volts. So the ground is connected to the GND pin on the Arduino board and it's connected to the negative rail on the breadboard. Then you connect another wire to the positive rail on the breadboard and connect it to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino board. Okay, so we're done with that. Then the next thing to do, let's connect the first servo motor. So let's do that now. Connect the first servo motor and let's start from the ground pin. The brown pin is connected to the negative rail on the breadboard, while the red pin is connected to the positive rail on the breadboard. Then finally the yellow or the orange pin is connected to pin 9, which is serving as our signal to pin 9 on the Arduino board. Yes, I've done that. Then let's connect the second servo motor. So I'll pass it through this point carefully and it's out. So I connect the same way, the brown pin or the brown wire to the GND pin, the orange to the red, to the positive terminal, then the orange or the yellow to pin 10 on the Arduino board. So we're done with our servo motors now. So the next thing to connect is our potentiometers. So I'm going to connect them this way. The potentiometer also has 3 pins. The header of these pins are connected to the ground and the 5 volts on the Arduino board. Then the middle pin is the analog signal pin connected to any of the analog pins. So let's take this for example. So any of these analog pins, either A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, or A5. So we're going to do that now. Connect it like this. Now connect the second one too, like this. So here we go. Let's connect the first. So the first pin is connected to the negative terminal on the breadboard. Okay, so we connect the potentiometer. So I've connected the first pin to the ground terminal. Now I'm connecting the middle pin. Okay, I'm connecting the middle pin to A0 pin on the Arduino board. Okay. Then I connect the last pin to the positive terminal on the breadboard. Connect it properly. Okay. Okay. Then the next thing I do is connect the second potentiometer. Connect the last pin to the negative terminal on the breadboard. Connect the middle pin, which is this. Connect it to the A1 pin on the Arduino. A1 pin on the Arduino board. Perfect. Then I connect the last pin to the positive terminal. Exactly like this. So we're done with our connections. So now let's test and see how project works. So first, before we test, we're going to write the code on our Arduino IDE. So I'm going to start from a clear sketch for the Arduino, for the code, the sketch to control the robot arm. So I'm going to start by including the library. So use hashtag include and come out. So we're done. So let's compile our code to see if it's correct or if we have any issues. Done compiling. So our code is good to go. So now we'll upload it to the Arduino microcontroller. So let me show you how you get that done. Okay. So I'm uploading it. Come back here and click on the upload. You can see the upload button. Let me mark the zoom in. So this is the upload button. So you click upload, and it uploads straight to your microcontroller, and we're done uploading. So let's test our project out now. Okay, so here is our 2-axis robotic arm system. So it moves in 2 axes, flex like this. Then you can bring it back. Then you can move the arm exactly like this. So this is a very simple project that can help you to understand how to build more complex robotic arm systems that could be AI driven, that could move 360 degree, that can grip also. So this is it, a very simple 2-axis robotic arm using your Arduino, using your servo motors and your potentiometers. So with this one you can be able to learn how to control with your potentiometers, how to make angular movement with your servo motors, and how to build on and create more complex robotic arm systems. So if you like this particular project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome AI and robotic content from us. See you in the next project. Goodbye. Thank you.